Gen Digital is a leader in consumer cyber safety and home to trusted brands such as Norton, LifeLock, Avast, and AVG. They have over 500 million users across platforms, and each brand depends heavily on its reputation. In this video, we will showcase how they're using Google Cloud Contact Center AI, or CCAI. Specifically, we'll talk about two core areas: CCAI Platform, which is Google Cloud's Contact Center as a Service, and Dialogflow, the virtual agent platform for voice and chatbots. Before deploying Google Cloud, voice automation could take weeks to address subscription change requests. Here, Brian Power, the head of automation at Gen Digital, gives us a closer look at what they did and what impact CCAI and Dialogflow had.
For some time now, we've been using Dialogflow for chat and more recently for the voice channel to design bots that help optimize our contact center workflows. Compared to our old voice automation platform, for example, with Dialogflow we can make changes to scripts in real time and deploy them to production without complexity. We realized, however, that we could further improve our efficiency and ability to serve customers if we could look at our customer experience program more holistically. This brought us to CCAIP. As a result of switching to CCAIP as our contact center as a service solution, we've increased our speed of development, improved efficiency in operations, and now have early access to the newest AI features. Dialogflow and CCAIP provide a variety of capabilities that elevate the experience for help journey designers, most notably through improved end-to-end analytics and insights. Let's take a look at an end-to-end chat experience for our Norton customers. In this demo, the chat widget is visible in our Help Center. However, there are many entry points across our ecosystem. With Dialogflow, you can tailor each entry point to offer upfront contextual help based on where you enter chat, or you can deploy a common experience in multiple areas, such as voice bots, social, SMS, etc. Kate, our assistant, welcomes every user. Her main goal initially is to collect the user's intent. Why is the user contacting Norton? With the intent, she can do one of two things. One, offer up an automated experience if one exists, or two, transfer the customer to the right agent. This is particularly important for contact centers who have differing skill sets across their agent base. In this particular scenario, the user is telling Kate that they need to update their phone number. Kate responds with simple instructions for how the user can do that themselves. We call this a non-fulfillment experience, meaning that the bot doesn't actually carry out the change. The bot provides instructions to the user, and the user can then perform the change on their own. Now let's see how Kate reacts to a different intent. This intent is something Kate can handle end-to-end, what we call a fulfillment experience. To handle it, Kate will authenticate the user, gather the information required, and proceed to handle the interaction from start to finish. Finally, let's look at how Kate reacts to a couple of intents she can't handle. Depending on your business, there'll be many intents that you either can't or don't want to handle via a bot. The bot still plays a pivotal role in that help experience, as it can make sure the contact goes to the right agent, and it can pass the user through to the agent fully authenticated, meaning the agent saves time. Once transferred to an agent, the combination of CCAIP and Dialogflow enables the agent to see context for the full interaction with the bot and can use that to create the continuity needed to get the live experience off on the right foot.
CCAI Platform and Dialogflow were the perfect combination of tools that allowed Gen Digital to make quick changes to scripts and the data analysis to see which changes were successful. This had led to a more successful chatbot containment rate where 40% of their customer calls do not pass through to an agent. To learn how you can use the Contact Center AI platform and Dialogflow to improve customer interactions at your business, check out the links in the description below.